Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, and this is the Python full course series, and day 4 we learn Python through examples and small projects. Okay, so today we learn how to write a program in Python using PyCharm platform to convert a kilometer into miles. Okay, kilometer into miles. So in this program, first we need a input in kilometer, then we run program and that program convert into miles. We know that 0.621 like that, this is the factor convert to kilometer to miles. It means 1 kilometer is equal to 0.621371 miles. Okay, you know that easily you calculation, but how to write this program? So let's start. I explain only written program, don't try to bore you. Okay, this is the program. Okay, first of all, first line is the comment to describe the coding to user by hash. If you using hash, this is comment, not the programming coding. Okay, so first of all we define a variable. That variable name we define kilometers is equal to float. Float means the value we input is maybe in decimal or not. Okay, so float, and input used to input data. When you use input, it means when you run the program needs data. Okay, we provide here input, and when a string enter value in a kilometers, it means when run a program, the program message me enter value in program, then user input a value, and the value may be in point or decimal. That we use float. Okay, the first line is this. Second line, we another a variable we define, that name is conversion factor. You can take any rename of that variables. Okay, conversion factor is 0.621. okay, we define two variables. Okay, now we formulate miles. A variable miles is equal to kilometer multiply by star symbol for multiply by conversion factor. It's very simple. The main thing to understand in this program is print. The above three line, the light dark lines is the comment by hash, not the part of programming, and the three lines, kilometer is a variable, conversion factor is a variable, the third variable is mile, that is formula, kilometers into conversion factor. The main thing you have to understand is print. So print and the bracket close, and inside the bracket, first of all we put a string. String means the series of alphabet that message with result. Okay, the kilometer is equal to, you understand this, but what is this? Percentage symbol is used for what decimal result you want. Means percentage 0.2 f means float. 0.2 f means here the value is showing up to 2 decimal. Okay, and here is value showing up to 2 decimal, like 2.50 kilometer is equal to 3.50 miles, for example. Okay, but this is the string. But how can this line know that here is kilometer, here is miles? You can see here we take a format, percentile bracket kilometer comma miles. It means first kilometer is going here and the second mile is going here, this percentile. Okay, now we try to run. He asks kilometers, we value 120 kilometer, enter, and the answer is 74.6 miles. Now the answer is 120.00. It means percentage 0.2 f means 2 decimal kilometer taken 2 decimal, and kilo is equal to 7.74.56, and miles taken 2 decimal. So this is the very simple programming how to convert kilometer to miles. You can comment the program of how to convert temperature degree to Fahrenheit and other things. If you like this, please subscribe and share and comment and suggest what is the recommend for tutorials, what is the need to improve these tutorials. Thank you very much.